Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about how to give our good clinical practice examination of the one of the requirement for the those who are entering COMED rotation. You need to give this exam, and we should upload the certificate from this quiz in the Google form which mentioned here. First we have to go into the gcp.NIDA training organization website. I'm going to click here now. After entering this website, if you're entering new, you just don't want to log in, you should click sign up here option down given below. So you will be redirected into this page. First and last name you should fill the required thing, you as you already know. Study role you should mention as student. The organization, if you are from DMSF, just mention DMSF. In the location, you should mention Philippines. And for NIH and IRB, you should mention no. So you should give your email, and you should create the password, and you should confirm that password, and you should give I am not a robot, and afterwards you should just click into the submit option. So afterwards you should give the submit option. So now you have to confirm your name, that will be given, this name is only given in your certificate. So in this confirm yourself and click in the this is correct option. So now you will be directing into this page. Here you will be having in this module, you will be having these, in this you will be giving totally 11 exams. Each exam consists of 5 questions. So you have to give these all 11 exams. So this is the quiz page you're entering now. So after giving every quizzes, you should give the submit option. So after completing every exam, this will be the page. So in this, the minimum the passing mark is 80. So that means you have to, out of 5 questions in each module, you should pass, you should get minimum 3 questions correct. So I got 98 percentage. So after giving these all exams, in the top corner we'll be having this blue color icon. Just click this, and here ask for the certification, the third option, certification. So this is your certificate, and if you want to reappear, you can just click this option recertify. So if you're okay with this result, you should click in the top, you'll be having print certification option. So after clicking that page, automatically your certificates will be downloaded. So I can see my certificate in my files downloaded pages. So now we can view the certificate, and you should upload this certificate by going into the submit to this Google form. You should click this Google form. So I already gave my respond, I already uploaded that certificate in this Google form, so I have received that you have already or responded. If you're appearing first to the that Google form, you can see these questions that you asked. You have to fill these, your email and your roll number, roll number, we should mention only the number, not like G5. You should mention only, for example 21, we should mention only 21, and name as in the roll number. So and you should upload your certificate in this add file. So after uploading, you will be seeing this message that you have already responded.